Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the new subscribers. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited you're here. I'm so excited you guys keep coming back. Today we have a interesting tarot deck review for you, like super interesting. It's not really Halloween themed, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity. This, my friends, is a mini tarot deck. So I wasn't sure what to expect when I ordered it. But it was one of those impulse buys that happen from time to time. And I literally only paid $5.99 for it. It was on one of those Prime deal things. I don't know. It was from Amazon. So it's Tarot, the Complete Kit. This is published by Running Press. And yeah, $9.95 is the retail price. And I know there's a glare from the gloss, but yeah, reveal your fate. Explore the realm of the unknown with a full deck of elegantly illustrated tarot cards, a fold-out mat to assist in arranging the cards for premium forecasting ability, and an 88-page book to guide you in the reading and interpret the cards. Uncover today's secret and tomorrow's promise with tarot. So I'll link the website below, runningpress.com, in the description box. But I just thought, oh my God, it's too stinking cute. It's mini. So I'm hoping that if this is decent, it would be a great little pocket traveling tarot deck because it's hinged. Like I thought this was going to be like a little, cardboard box, but it's hinged. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the book. Oh, and it slides out. Okay. So before we even get into the cards, let's just look how adorable this is. Oh my gosh. So, okay, it doesn't look like there's a lot of information. It says an introduction and then it goes through the cards. So yeah, not a lot of information for you, but enough to kind of guide you in your intuition. And it does have reversed meanings. So that's good. But for a pocket little book like this, it's cute. I'll accept it. I'll accept it for now. So let's get into the cards. I really am excited to see these because, I mean, they're mini. Okay, oh, and you do open it. So I came prepared this time. I didn't know if there was going to be cling wrap or anything like that. So I brought scissors. And they're failing me. Oh, come on. So yeah, I'm way too excited about this. This part seems pretty flimsy, but it's $9.95. All right, oh, there is cling wrap. Oh, and this looks, excuse me, like the mat, the fold-out mat. Let's take a look at what we got here. It is paper, so I mean, it's not so much a mat as it is paper. Fortune-telling mat. What's at hand? Past influence, ponder this, what to do. Please refer to the back of mat for instructions on how to conduct a tarot reading. Okay. So yeah, I mean, there's information there. And it tells you about upright and reversals. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it yet. Let's get into these cards. I'm so excited. All right, guys. Well, cling wrap is off. This is this little throwaway card that says Tarot Complete Deck. So basically the publisher and all that stuff. We don't need it. Get rid of it. Oh my goodness. Look at the cute little backing. The guys are playing tarot cards. Girls, guys, doesn't matter. Can you focus, please? There we go. I love the bright colors and the little sun in the middle there and the moon. Super cute. And okay, so size comparison with my hand, they are tiny. I'm wondering how well they're gonna shuffle. Okay, let's quickly go through these and see. Okay. There's not a lot happening as far as scenes go, but I mean, the imagery is there. Yeah, I guess there's enough imagery for you to use your intuition. Yeah, okay. That's actually pretty cute. Okay, I'm not mad at it. So if you want to do a quick tarot on the go, I'm not mad at this. This will work. It will definitely work. Oh, what card did I miss? The star. Yeah, okay. If you're just starting out with tarot, it might be a little difficult just because there's not a lot going on in the pictures, but I mean, you can really use your intuition. I think it'll be fine. And the only reason I say it might not be a good beginner or might be difficult for beginners is just because the book didn't seem too in depth. But again, you get what you're paying for. And if you're wanting a little mini book to go along with your little mini deck, it might not have enough information, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean, it's super cute. My only concern is the shuffling part. So we'll see. Yeah, definitely. I'm getting a kick out of these. Learn your Roman numerals, friends. It will help you out. Very cute. I'm just kind of going a little bit fast so you can get the gist of the cards and see the imagery. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It's just enough imagery for you to remember what it is and kind of get the gist of it. But it's also like a good thing as well because you can interpret it how you would like to interpret it. Like obviously use the meanings, but like you can embellish in it, you know, like draw your own conclusions. Awesome. Okay, so now that we saw the pictures and kind of how the art is, because that's really all one wants to see when you get a new deck, right? Let's see how it shuffles. So doing it like this is not too bad. I think I would prefer a smaller deck than a large crazy deck just because handling it could pose a problem. It's not bad to shuffle. It's not bad. And then if you're one who likes to spread your cards out on the table or wherever you're at and pick out cards, this is great too because it doesn't take up as much surface area. So that's an idea for you as well. Okay, let's see how it does with a regular old card shuffle here. Oh. Not too bad. It takes some getting used to. Also, they're a little glossy, not too bad. The card thickness isn't too terrible either. It's thin, but there's a give to it. There's a, it's not going to fall apart, I don't think, on you too quickly. Like it does not feel super cheap, which I'm surprised about. I'm actually quite shocked because of the price. I mean, in all honesty, I'm kind of loving this. I didn't think I would. I didn't think I would like it this much, but seeing how easy it shuffles and seeing the pictures, I mean, it kind of makes sense to me. I don't hate it. And if you notice, all of the different suits have different colors. So immediately you can kind of determine right away what you're looking at. And if, you know, that helps you in your divination, that's amazing. I'm trying to see what else like I could say about these other than the fact that I really enjoy them. As far as like a cheap deck goes, you can't really go wrong. The book leaves a lot out, I feel. Just skimming through it. But I feel like if you look it up in other books, because, you know, if you're like me, I have a ton of like tarot books and stuff like that. And different authors have more in-depth interpretations and stuff like that. So it also helps to get different perspectives on, you know, it's not just, okay, Two of Cups means union. It could mean other things as well, if you get my drift. So having a thicker tarot book for your studying would be great. And then when you travel, this little book can do enough for you to jog your memory if you're starting out. So yeah, I mean, it comes in a great little box set. It comes with that little placemat. I can't complain, other than this is a little flimsy, but I mean, if you can get around that, goodness, what a great stocking stuffer too. I know this is Halloween season, but we're all thinking about Christmas now since it's getting closer. What a great stocking gift, or like, you know, if you exchange gifts with your friends and like you have a limit, you know what I mean? A lot of us with a lot of friends, and when we go and do things, we set limits for our gifts, because then we can buy everybody a gift, or a great white elephant gift. I mean, for $10 retail price, what a great little companion gift for somebody. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not mad at this at all. I thought I was going to be severely disappointed. I thought I was just going to open this up and be like, that was a waste of money. But honestly, for $10, and if you can get it for cheaper like I did for $5.99, holy schmoly, I'm all right with this. I'm more than all right. Like, this is coming with me when I go on my vacations once a year. But you know what I mean? I'm so excited. If this is something that you've seen, or if it's something that you're excited about as well and want to get your hands on it, let me know. In the description box below, I will link all of the places that I see it. I've, like I said, bought it off of Amazon, but I feel like Barnes & Noble has it. Maybe your local gift shops might have something like this, because it's such a cute little gifty item. Always look at your metaphysical shops if you have them near you. That is where you should be looking for first, because those people that work there can also give you recommendations and help you out a lot easier than going online and buying it. If you have any questions and I can't answer them for you, or if I'm not giving them to you in the video, your local metaphysical shops definitely have the answers, or also can direct you to somebody that do have those answers. So anyway, I'm going off tangents, but I'm excited. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I do multiple different videos. I have lots more coming, and they're just taking me a while to get filmed because I have a day job. So I got to work around that schedule. And also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not rung the notification bell, go ahead and turn that icon on, because I do not have a set upload schedule due to what I just said. And this way you'll never miss a video from me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think. All right, bye.